stop loss hits, 10 target hits. That is when you are in 200 points profit. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 900. In this video, we'll see how to earn consistent money in options trading with minimum losses and max profits. The goal of every trader is to earn money, but for that there is a process. It's simply learning and experience. But no one wants to follow the process. Everyone wants to become a billionaire or millionaire in a very short period of time, which is not possible in any business. The same is with trading. To become a doctor, there is a process. You have to go through certain process. To become an engineer, you have to go through certain process. In the same way, to become a professional trader, the one and only way is to learn first. That is, if 30% is learning, 70% will be only your experience. Whether you want to be a full-time trader, part-time trader or investor, spend some time on learning first. Don't depend on others' tips or recommendations. Before discussing the three phases of option trader, let me tell you one thing. The main purpose of this video is, it took me 9 years to become a profitable trader. Only from last couple of years, I am able to minimize losses and max profits, that too around 8 to 12% a month. Before that, market punished me in all possible angles due to lack of knowledge. I don't want the new traders to go through this phase. At least if few traders get inspired by this and start to learn, it's worth making this video. Generally, the journey of an option trader will be in three phases: beginner, learner and earner. But the beginner from the day one want to be earner by skipping the second phase, that is the learning phase, but will not succeed. If one is conscious enough, he can skip the beginner's phase, focus on learning first and finally become a earner. At least he can protect the capital that he loses in the beginner's phase. Without losses in option trading, one will not get the experience, but how much loss you make is the question. At least making small losses at the time of learning is better than emptying the demat accounts in the beginner's phase. Let's start with the beginner's phase. Beginner knows only one thing: if market or price goes up, buy a call option; if market goes down, buy a put option, without knowing the purpose of options. Even if he makes some profits in couple of trades, finally he will end up losing the whole capital. Again, he adds money in the demat account from various sources. Now starts depending on tip providers or scammers who give calls by charging some amount. But no use. By the time he realizes, his demat account will again become zero. Now with lots of frustration, he borrows money from banks or friends and adds to demat account again, thinking that let's recover the previous losses, and once the losses are recovered, we'll stay away from trading. But he will end up making his losses double, triple. Next is the learner's phase. In this phase, one starts researching on the basics of options, like how the options premiums are calculated, role of Greeks on options premiums, basics of price action, etc. In this phase, one trades with small quantities, so that even if he loses the trade, he will not lose the entire capital. He will write his mistakes daily and will try not to repeat the mistakes again. We'll trade only if his trade setup comes, otherwise we'll wait patiently. With this, over trading will be gone and confidence will start to build slowly. The final phase is the earner's phase, which everyone wants to be in. By the time one reaches this phase, his greed, emotion, psychology, etc. will get controlled. With his experience, he knows when to buy an option and when to sell an option. That is, he knows the difference between option buying and option selling. He also maintains a good risk to reward. That is, at least he maintains 1:2 to 1:3 risk to reward ratio. With his learning and experience, he knows when to trade with small quantities and when to trade with large quantities. That is, it's the proper position sizing. In all aspects, he will be disciplined. So, to become a earner, be a learner first. Either you are a new trader or you are trading from some time and made some losses, don't try to recover them. Try to focus on minimizing losses and maximizing profits. Automatically your losses will get recovered in some time. Now the question is, what to learn and where to learn. As soon as learning comes in mind, everyone starts focusing on technical indicators such as, some say RSI is the very best, MACD, Bollinger Bands, VWAP, Ichimoku Cloud, etc. Even I read many books and YouTube videos, but all these technical indicators will only confuse you. The simpler you keep it, the easier trading will be. We don't use a single indicator, we only use horizontal line, trend line, price action. That's it. Don't just see the thumbnail of advanced concepts and jump. There is no such thing called advanced concepts in trading. Only your experience is the advanced concept. Keep things simpler, trading will be easier. Complicated concepts will make your trading only difficult. If you want to learn from us, we mainly focus on real-time charts and live charts. We don't tell you the technical or theoretical definitions like what is a call option, what is a put option, what is delta, theta. We'll explain you how to use and when to use. What is its role on options? Simply, our training focuses more on practical than theoretical. Our training will be in such a way that before entering the trade, you will know the exit, that is the target and stop loss. However, in the initial days, it will be difficult. It comes only by practice. That's the reason we support our students with trade setups for the first 3 months. If you maintain these three things, that is proper entry, target, and stop loss, it can stop you from making profits. Let me tell you a simple math. Generally, we give 1 or 2 trade setups daily depending on the market conditions. Let's say we have given you only 1 trade setup daily. Total 20 trading sessions monthly. So 20 trade setups. In our trade setup, risk to reward will be anywhere between 1:2 to the minimum will be 1:2 to 1:5. Let's take the minimum one, that is 1:2. So according to this, if stop loss hits, you lose 20 points. If target hits, you make 40 points. Generally, our winning percent is anywhere between 70 to 80%. Let's take it as our winning is only 50%. That is, even if the winning rate is, that is success rate is 50%, in 20 trade setups, 10 stop loss hits, 10 target hits. That is, when stop loss hits, 10 into 20, 200 points, you lose. When target hits, 10 into 40, you made 400 points. Profit minus loss, still you are in 200 points profit. This way, we will minimize our losses and maximize our profits.